Saving Animals from Volcanoes by Miriam Aronin. A Mountain of Fire. In October 2010, scientists made a frightening discovery. Mount Merapi, a powerful volcano on the island of Java in Indonesia, was about to erupt. Thousands of farmers, villagers, and animals lived within 15 miles, 24 kilometers, of the volcano. Soon, their homes would not be safe. The government began making plans to evacuate everyone. "This is high alert," warned volcano expert Dr. Surono on October 25th. This school is located near Mount Merapi. That day, Mount Merapi erupted. Hot gases and ash shot 16,400 feet, 5,000 meters, into the air. People rushed to flee their homes. Many had no time to take their pets and livestock with them. Would anyone come rescue the animals? Merapi means mountain of fire in the Indonesian language. Before Mount Merapi erupted, very hot liquid rock built up under the ground. It then burst out of an opening in the mountain, along with blasts of hot gas and ash. Land of volcanoes. Volcanoes such as Mount Merapi have been erupting in Indonesia for thousands of years. In fact, scientists believe that the largest volcanic eruption on Earth happened there about 75,000 years ago. Today, Indonesia has more than 75 active volcanoes, more than any other country in the world. Indonesia is made up of more than 17,500 islands in Southeast Asia. Mount Merapi is on Java, one of the larger islands. Yellow. Islands that make up the country of Indonesia. When one of these volcanoes erupts, the result can be deadly for humans and other animals. For example, hot gas and ash can easily fill the lungs and make it difficult for the victims of the volcano to breathe. When plants that many animals depend on for food are killed by hot lava and ash, the animals face starvation. Though no one knows for sure, scientists believe that volcanoes have erupted in Indonesia more than 1,100 times since the 3rd century AD. Mount Merapi erupts about every 4 years. Mount Merapi erupting in 2006. Helping out. When Mount Merapi began erupting in 2010, animal rescue groups were worried. Many animals lived near the volcano. What would happen to them? On October 27, 2010, volunteers came together to form the Merapi Animal Rescue Team. Their goal was to help save the animals that were in danger of being killed by the erupting volcano. The team set up a base camp in Yogyakarta, also called Yogya, a city near Mount Merapi. The rescue team planned to live at the base camp and bring any animals injured by the eruption there for medical treatment. The erupting volcano put many wild animals, pets, farm animals, and people in danger. The 25-member team was made up of veterinarians, experienced animal handlers, and animal rescue workers. One of the volunteers, Famke Den Haas, traveled 275 miles, 443 kilometers, from her home in the city of Jakarta to join the rescue team in Yogya. Though team members would be working in dangerous conditions, they were determined to save the animals threatened by the eruption. The Merapi Animal Rescue Team was made up of volunteers from 3 animal protection groups: the Jakarta Animal Aid Network, JAAN, the Center for Orangutan Protection, COP, and Animal Friends Jogja, AFJ. Part of the Merapi Animal Rescue Team. Famke helped create John in 2008. A dried-out forest. On October 30th, A few days after arriving in Jogja, the rescue team went to the Tlogo Putri mountain resort area, which is located only 2.5 miles, 4 kilometers, from the top of Mount Merapi. The team wanted to check on monkeys called long-tailed macaques that made their homes in trees there. They were worried that the animals might be starving or injured as a result of the eruption. The volcanic eruption destroyed this road leading to the resort, making it hard for rescuers to get there. The Tlogo Putri mountain resort area had been part of a beautiful forest before the eruption in 2010. Tourists often visited the area and fed the monkeys. When Mount Merapi erupted, however, it blasted the trees and other plants with hot air and ashes. Instead of finding a green, leafy forest, the team saw a shocking sight. "The forest is now completely dry," said Famke. "The trees are cracking from the heat." Although the team found some macaques that were still alive, though starving, they also found the bodies of 2 monkeys. The terrible heat from the volcano had killed them. Heat and ash from volcanoes can be deadly for animals. Some scientists believe that volcanic eruptions are one reason that dinosaurs became extinct. Members of the rescue team looking for macaques that survived the eruption. Starving monkeys. After finding the dead macaques, the rescue team continued to return to Tlogo Putri from their base camp. The rescuers found more monkeys that were starving. The volcano had killed much of the plant life in the forest, which the animals depended on for food. Also, since the eruption forced the resort to close, there were no tourists to feed the animals. These monkeys survived the eruption. The rescuers went to Tlogo Putri every day for about 2 months to help the monkeys. To regain their strength, the monkeys needed lots of fruits and vegetables. Luckily, the rescue team received food donations from the Jogja supermarkets. They were given fruit and vegetables that were damaged and couldn't be sold. Every night, the rescuers sorted through the food and removed the rotten pieces, and then washed what could still be eaten. After its first eruption at the end of October, Mount Merapi erupted several more times. An area around the volcano was declared a danger zone by the Indonesian government. This meant that the area was unsafe because the volcano was in danger of erupting. Most people were not allowed inside this area. The rescue team, however, had special permits from the government to enter the danger zone. This macaque is eating a piece of fruit provided by the rescue team. Rescuers brought nuts, yams, sweet potatoes, carrots, bananas, and cucumbers to the hungry macaques.
We are going to stop here in this informational text, and you're going to answer a few questions on the next couple of slides.